Hello my dear students. Today we will talk about the wonderful world of color. Color is the element of art that refers to reflected light. Color theory is defined as a theory because it cannot be proved. Theories are generally accepted. It is an every exciting science. Color has an effect over how we feel about objects, how we behave, and how our bodies react to circumstances. Did you know that the color in a drawing, painting, or object can affect the way you feel about it? In fact, simply the color of an object can affect your mood and feeling. While color does have an impact on our psychology, we bring our own experiences to the table, making color psychology an imperfect, but fun science. Color theory can be broken down into 3 parts: 1. The color wheel, 2. Color value, and 3. Color schemes. Each part of color theory builds on the previous. The color wheel was developed by Sir Isaac Newton by taking the color spectrum and bending it into a circle. If you follow around the color wheel, you will find the same order of the color spectrum: red, red-orange, orange, yellow-orange, yellow, yellow-green, green, blue-green, blue, blue-violet, violet, and finally red-violet.
Hello Mr. House. The color wheel is made up of 3 different types of colors: primary, secondary, and tertiary.
That's correct, Sally. The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. They are called primary for a couple of reasons. First, no 2 colors can be mixed to create a primary color.
In other words, primary colors can only be created through the use of natural pigments.
Correct. All other colors found on the color wheel can be created by mixing primary colors together. The secondary colors are orange, green, and purple. Secondary colors are created by mixing equal parts of any 2 primary colors.
Hey Mr. House. Yellow and blue will give you green.
That's correct, Joey. Red and blue will create purple, or what we also call violet.
Red and yellow will give you orange. That is, as long as they are mixed using equal parts.
Tertiary colors are created by mixing equal parts of a secondary color and a primary color together.
There are 6 tertiary colors:
Red-violet, red-orange, blue-green, yellow-green, blue-violet, and yellow-orange.
Notice that the proper way to refer to tertiary colors is by listing the primary color first and the secondary color second.
Mr. House, can you tell us about color schemes?
Yes, color schemes are how colors are put together in an intelligent way. First, we have a scheme called monochromatic. A scheme made up of 1 color and its shades and dents.
Can you explain what are analogous colors?
Analogous colors are colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. For example, blue, blue-green, green.
I really enjoy complementary colors. These are colors found directly across from each other on the color wheel. Is that correct, Mr. House?
Yes, complementary color schemes provide strong contrast. Red and green, yellow-green and red-violet are 2 examples. Then we have what is called a triad. These are 3 colors on the color wheel that are equally spaced apart, like red, blue and yellow.
It's my understanding that split complementary colors are schemes made up of a color and its complements closest analogous colors like blue, yellow-orange and red-orange.
Excellent, Joey. What about warm and cool colors?
Sally, would you like to answer this question?
Sure. Warm colors are colors associated with warm things. Red, yellow, and orange. Like the sun or fire.
And cool colors are those colors associated with cool things like water and green trees. An example would be blue, purple, green.
Well, I'm very proud of both of you. Many people often allow the study of color to confuse them. However, with a little effort, it's very easy to understand.
Thanks, Mr. House. See you in class.
Goodbye, Mr. House. You're one colorful guy. Oops, I mean smart guy. See you next time.
I expect all of my art appreciation students to learn about color. On our final exam you will be asked to fill in a color wheel diagram with each color in the correct position. Until our next class. Good day.